Look, really nice, proper, gorgeous finish on your Ercol furniture. Okay, so we've got a nice piece of Ercol furniture that has got lovely, nice ring marks, sun-bleached, water damaged, faded. Don't know what's been on the top there, but just a nicely worn, distressed bit of Ercol. So we're going to try and go for all these ring marks here and all over the job, and some more here. I've got a kit for sale. Sorry, there's lots of cars going past. We've got a kit for sale. It's our family recipe, our kit that we've used as a family of French polishers and restorers. So we shake the bottle and get the fine wire wool that's in the kit. So the first bottle that comes in the kit is Revive, so that's what we're going to use. And we're going to just start to treat the areas here that are the most sort of damaged. And we're going to go with the grain. The fine wire wool is just quite a light grade. It's super fine, so it's almost like polishing rather than rubbing back. I'm just going to do half the table here in case the mic's not working. But step one is reviving, so we're slowly just rubbing back. There's a nice bit of, normally after this mid-century furniture, teak and elm and ash. Some of them are lacquered, so it's the same though. The kit works on everything, so we're just cleaning back. And I'm rubbing on quite firm there, but I'm just going with the grain and slightly pressing on harder where some of the marks are. So if you've got a piece of mid-century furniture that is looking like it's got all the classic white marks on it from plant pots and ring marks and water stains, then you definitely need to get a kit, because this is a three-step method that is going to keep all the integrity of the piece of furniture and dramatically improve it. If I hold this up now, just even cleaning this first half here, we're getting all those marks off. We've still got on the second half, look, we've still got all those ring marks here. So I'm just going to do a mic check and just make sure it's on, and then I'll show you the same process on this half. So yeah, we're going to get these, we've done this first half here, look, just giving it a prep, and here we're going to get all these ring marks and water marks out. Actually bring the camera around and just, okay. Right, step one has beautifully dried, which is the Revive. So we've got this just gorgeous top now. All the oils are dried, everything's nice, just looks a lovely, nice, clean top. To be honest, you could just actually wax it now. But I'm giving this back to a customer, so we're going to put just a really fine bit of shellac on, which we are shaking the bottle. I already feel like I've lost something. Step two, look, is the Restore. Sorry, I've just eaten lunch. And we're pouring, sorry, I'll show you that. We're pouring the beautiful blonde shellac flakes in there. And I've now got fad. You'll have a nice brand new clean fad. I'll just pull out one from here that I keep on using. You can keep them fresh inside a jar with just a little bit of mess. And the secret is just to give it a nice drink like this. And then it's such a fine, beautiful amount that's going to come out, and we're just going with the grain, and it's just enhancing. Can you see that on there? It's enhancing, causing a sealant. Here are some excellent shellac facts. Shellac cures in a week, so if you're putting it on a tabletop, don't have a dinner party or a cup of tea for about a week. It's touch dry, using dry in 24 hours if it's a piece of furniture. And it's touch dry in about 10 minutes, so you can really just polish with it great. But if you are going to use it as a sort of dining room tabletop, then it needs about 5 to 7 days to cure. And what's beautiful is it then, once you've done that, it's so easy to maintain, because you can just get some fine wire wool and some oils, and if you wanted to, you could just take out any ring marks that you might get over the years. But look at that already, gorgeous. because you can hide a lot with dark furniture, but there's nowhere to hide with nice, beautiful, honest, clear finishes. So you get this really beautiful finish that's just all about the wood and the grain. And again, we've not had to do any sanding, any stripping. We haven't lost any of the identity. We haven't had to use any stains. It's just the 3 steps in the kit, just really old school French polishing methods. And look, if you've got a nice Ercol piece of furniture at home, or some mid-century furniture, or some light wood furniture, whatever your furniture is, it's got some ring marks and you know, all the bits are fading and just generally worn, then just do the 3 easy steps. I'm going to give this one more go with the fad, so it'll have sort of 3 good goes, but I recommend on your first time you maybe go for 5 or 7. It's just kind of a little bit more experienced with the fad. But once you've got it up, you'll see it's a little bit shiny, but what we're going to do then is we're going to knock it back with my replenish wax and some ultra fine, super fine wire wool, especially on a nice mid-century piece like this, because we want that gorgeous almost satin to matte sheen. So I'll do that, and then it'll be time saving, and yeah, I'll see you for the 3rd part. Really nice build now, nice build. You can see that a bit in the light here. So nice to see, it'll probably waste about an hour. And step 3 is just simply the wax, but the replenished wax, the wax, like everything, we mix it all ourselves, and it's just a really nice, lovely, soft wax. It's already soft and there's lots of oils inside there. So whilst my piece of wire wool's dry, because I want to get a little bit more of a matter finish, I'm going to dry rub this really flat first. Sorry, there's a few cars coming past, but I'll just quickly show you on this half here. What I'm doing is I'm just going to give it a dry rub like here, just to get some, I can just see a bit of matteness now and flatness. And then look, where the wax is warm, what I love to do, I do it on a lot of my vids, but we warm up the wax a little bit, but it's so warm at the moment because it's like a furnace across the country, which is good in some sense. And then I'm dabbing the wax across to spread it out, and then I'm going in straight lines, and I'm getting a really nice even spread of the wax. I'm getting a really nice satin finish, and I'll do this twice. Just show you again now. Nice like this, look. A few dabs, look, with that. It just gives us a nice flat finish, so we've got that gorgeous polish, and then but we've got a nice finish that's more in keeping for this style of furniture. And you can see on the 2, look, you see how we've got this lovely matte finish rather than the big glossy finish which is on this side. So we're just able just to matte it off and we get that lovely shine. I'll bring it up to the camera, look. Really nice, proper, gorgeous finish on your Ercol furniture. So look, it's all available in the kit. There's 3 steps. Kit's still at £49. Order your kit, we post worldwide. I mix everything here. Everybody thinks I don't, but look at this. See, all the stuff's going out. These are orders for this afternoon and tonight. Order yours today or this week. And equally, here's one for you. If you live in Yorkshire, you can get some furniture to me. Send me some photos of your furniture. If it's nicely damaged on the top and you don't feel brave enough to do it yourself, or you want me to restore a piece of furniture for you for free, then send me some pictures, because I'm doing a video every week now, so I might as well give back. So I'll do your piece of furniture for you. I'll do it with my kit, but equally you can do it with the kit yourself, because it's so straightforward, really easy to use. But if you've got a piece of furniture you want me to do it for you, then send me some pictures. Right, that's probably the longest video in the world. Thank you very much. Look, really nice, proper, gorgeous finish on your Ercol furniture.